Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Energy Haven Enlightenment. As you can see in the background, look at that view. I want to show you the beautiful view of the West Gate in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. How beautiful this view is. Guys, Westgate should pay me for this, seriously, because I'm promoting them. But I really would suggest you guys go to Gatlinburg, Tennessee, because you'll see why. Look at the sunset. It's to die for. Look at that sunset. Isn't that to die for? I mean, come on. Look at that. It's so peaceful and quiet right now, which is rare. I had some really rowdy, noisy neighbors. Let's hope these new ones, they're quiet. But anyway, sorry, I'm getting sidetracked. This is the view of Westgate, of Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Down there, we're not really in Gatlinburg yet. We're in between Pigeon Forge down there, and Gatlinburg's on the other side. You can't even see it. But I wanted you guys to see the absolute gorgeous sunset. I'm going to stay quiet so you guys can hear the beautiful frogs. I'm on the top floor, the third floor. Go out there and enjoy nature. If you're not able to go to Tennessee, Gatlinburg, that's in the east, any woods will do. But go out there and enjoy. I leave you with the sunset. Until the next video, God bless and namaste.